Keep making the beats, man.
Yo, what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Coming to you today with another special video. What's good? What's happening, YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beats. And I'm back. I got some dope shoes that I want y'all to see. Get an up close and look. The only way I know how to give y'all an up close look. All right, so you here for a reason if you're watching this video, and I appreciate that. So make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. You can leave a comment. I'll reply to the comment. You can share the video to show somebody these shoes that may have not seen the shoes, that may be on the fence about buying the shoes. And we're going to do it just like that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, boom. So check it out. Check it out. You see what we got here? We got this beautiful box with this pretty green, forest green, pine green, whatever green you want to call it. You see we got the cement right here. I'm sorry, we got the elephant print right here, not the cement. So you already know what it is, man. So right here, I got the Air Jordan 3 pine green, all right? So this shoe right here is very special because I really like the pine green color. I don't think I have any shoes with pine green. Maybe I do, I lied. However, I really wanted these shoes because I like threes, but I gotta get threes in a certain colorway that I like. Like for instance, I wanted those Georgetown Hoya, right, with the navy and gray. Those threes, I wasn't able to get them. I was able to get the Hyper Royal threes, but it's an all white shoe. So I definitely wanted a black three with some color in it, and I was able to get it. So we're gonna talk about that. Basically, you know, I don't know what's going on, whether Nike and these other stores like Foot Locker, Champs, Finish Line are starting to finally feel the pressure of people telling them, hey, we're tired of not being able to buy shoes online because the bots eat up all the shoes. You never have any shoes in stock, and what's the deal? So lately, for some reason, a lot of shoes have been sitting on the shelf. For instance, Flint Gray 7s have been sitting. The Obsidian 13s have been sitting. The Bordeaux 6s have been sitting. What else? There's more than that. Some Dunks have been sitting. What's another shoe that I always see sitting? I saw the Shattered Backboard 5 sitting. There's been a lot of shoes sitting at the store. So with all that being said, I caught these at Champs, at my local Champs. And it is what it is. I usually go at least once or twice a week, but it just depends. And then, you know, I walked in there, looked up on these. These was actually sitting on the wall, and I went ahead and grabbed them. You know what I'm saying? Because I wanted this shoe. So we're gonna review the shoe. This shoe originally released October 30th. So this just came out, and maybe it was a return. Maybe somebody didn't pick up their raffle win. I don't know, but either way, I was able to secure it. Oh, plus the discount. So whenever I get something at the store, I usually am able to get my discount. So I only paid, I think, well, I bought some shoe cleaners, so I paid like 180 something with these right here for these. So we talk about the Air Jordan 3, black, pine green, silver, white. Size on this is 11.5. Okay, hold that thought. Retail for $190. So I got the 11.5. This was all they had. I tried it on. The 11.5 fits me. It's a little big, but it's not the worst. So my thoughts are, I'm gonna get the shoe, and then I may possibly be able to trade it for an 11 at one of my local resale shops around here. If not, I'll figure out what I want to do with the shoe. But I got the shoe. So go ahead and check out the tag. All right. Check out the tag. So like I said, I really like this box. The threes have been coming in some dope boxes. The red Chicago threes, and then the Hyper Royals, the denim threes, what would they call? The red denim, I don't know what they would call the white, the all whites with the denim. All of these threes boxes have been pretty dope. So let's open it up. You see you got the elephant print paper on the inside. And then let's go ahead and take out one of these bad boys. All right. Yep. So, boom, check it out, check it out. Air Jordan 3 Pine Green. Check it out. All right, so hey, if you've seen 1-3, you've seen them all, right? So we're gonna go ahead and do the review, but you already know what it is. So on the bottom of the 3, you got this green pod here up on the ball of the foot, kind of, sort of. You got gray on the bottom, and then you got this green, pine green Jordan that's hitting over top of the white. So check that out. All right, and then on the midsole, you got a white midsole to start off. You got the air bubble, looks like it's just white inside the air bubble, no green or nothing like that. And then you got this clean strip of pine green paint that they put right here in the midsole. Check that out. All right. And then around the front of the toe box of the shoe, you got the gray where it goes to the white, and then you get up here to this elephant print right here. All right, love the elephant print. That's just like some OG Air Jordan stuff to me. And then you got more elephant print around the back before you get to the heels of the shoe, and it goes around to the heel, but we'll get there. So the upper of this shoe is this nice black, soft suede leather. So that's a dope look. That's one of the reasons I wanted this shoe, because it wasn't a leather shoe. No tumble leather on this one, but we got this nice suede leather on this shoe right here. So this is really good material. And this is a dope feature for the 3 right here. So if you sleeping on that, check that leather out. All right. You got black laces. You got gray behind the tongue. Well, you got a all gray tone. And then you got a green Jumpman outline in gold. So check that out. That's a pretty different, feature to throw that gold on there, but I like it. Give the shoe a little bit of Celtic vibe, a little bit of Oregon vibes, maybe even a little bit of Green Bay Packer vibes. So that's dope. All right, you got the green shoelace holes here. Then you got some at the top. You got a gray sock liner. You got green behind the tongue. Check that out. Inside, you got a green inside with a white Jumpman. See if you can check that out. All right, then around the heel of the shoe, you got, this is like, I guess this is gray or silver. You got the gray Jumpman, and then you got the gray Air on the back of the shoe, right? And that's right above the rest of that elephant print. So check that out. Check that out. All right. So, like I said, overall, and then right here on the top of the ankles, you got more green. This is like also suede up here, this little piece with the air holes in it. And then you got the gray, the same gray suede material right here on the side of the laces with the air holes in it. So all in all, this is a clean shoe. The materials on this shoe are better than the average 3. I think this shoe is going to go up in price. I'm going to keep my 11.5 if I can't get the 11, but hopefully I can swap it out for another dead stock 11, but we'll see. That's neither here nor there. So shoe retail for $190, and yeah, dope shoe, man, dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Air Jordan 3 Pine Green. Was y'all able to hit these on sneakers? Was you able to hit on the FLX? Restock? Was you able to get them in the store, online? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these. I think this is one of the dopest 3s of the year, personally. So, OG Bo Beats, man, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and I'm out. Peace.